Bloating and gas are usually tied to what and how you eat, so few simple changes may help. Because there are so many possible causes, there are many ways to treat it, and you can usually find relief with simple natural remedies. Drink some peppermint tea. Peppermint is great for soothing churning stomachs and easing gas pains. Its essential oil contains menthol, which has an antispasmodic effect of the smooth muscle of the digestive tract. Ginger is a tummy tamer. Whether you're nauseous, struggling with the stomach flu, or suffering from indigestion, chances are you've been given ginger in some form to help calm your upset tummy. Crunch on caraway. For centuries, caraway has been used to give trapped gas out and the digestive tract a little shove out the back door. Munching on a small handful of caraway seeds straight, or caraway crackers if the taste is too strong, might help. Drink chamomile tea. Antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, and just plain relaxing, chamomile can help with gas due to indigestion as well as heartburn, whereas peppermint is better for gas caused solely by indigestion. Eat pumpkin. Pumpkin is helpful because it can reduce the amount of gas created. Eat along with any meal to nip your problem in the bud. Chew food thoroughly. If you chew your food thoroughly, you'll digest it faster, and it will pass through your body with ease. Drink warm lemon water. A glass of warm lemon water every morning keeps the doctor away. The acidity in lemon stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid, which is what breaks down our food. More HCl equals food breaking down more efficiently equals less bloating and gas. Eat some anise seed. Anise has antispasmodic properties and helps to relax your digestive tract, which has a tendency to react to stress in unpleasant ways. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.